Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for beginners on mobile. First, download a suitable Python IDE or interpreter app from your device's app store. Next, explore interactive coding platforms that offer structured lessons and exercises. Remember to utilize your device's accessibility features for a comfortable learning environment. This approach allows you to practice coding anytime, anywhere, making the most of your free moments. Choosing the right tools is crucial for a smooth mobile learning journey. For Android users, Pidroid 3 offers a full-fledged IDE experience, while Termux provides a Linux environment. iOS users might prefer Pythonista for its extensive features or Carnets for Jupyter notebooks. Don't forget web-based platforms like Replit, which are accessible from any mobile browser, offering a flexible way to code and collaborate. To maximize your mobile Python learning, consistency is key. Dedicate short, regular periods each day to coding practice, perhaps during your commute or a coffee break. Focus on understanding core concepts before moving to advanced topics. Try to apply what you learn by building small projects directly on your phone. This hands-on approach reinforces knowledge and builds confidence in your programming abilities. As you progress, consider enhancing your mobile setup. A portable Bluetooth keyboard can significantly improve your coding speed and comfort. Dive into Python's official documentation and various online tutorials to deepen your understanding. Remember to take breaks and stay refreshed. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep exploring and challenging yourself with new projects to solidify your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.